Last year, we met up with one of the more unusual teams playing in the English leagues. Barcelona club CNPN Enginyers have flown into the UK for every away match since they managed to secure a place in Hertfordshire's Green King Super Premier League. Budget airline flights make the journey affordable, even for this small club. But the weather in Hertfordshire can't really compare with sunny Spain, can it? So Total Rugby decided to travel out to Barcelona to sample an Engineers home match for ourselves. Unfortunately, the English weather followed us. Datchworth were the visitors, and their flight left England so early that some of them hadn't even slept the night before. Playing Engineers on their home pitch would be a muddy challenge, even if the rain did clear before kick-off. Ahead of the game, the home team had some essential preparations to make.
We've been playing in an English league for 3 years now, and it's completely different to Spain. In Spain, you finish the match, and afterwards you get a can of beer and a few potato chips, and then it's goodbye. When we go to England, they give you food, and everyone plays games together after the match.
Engineers were laying on a Spanish feast, an essential part of the weekend for both sides. But before the socialising began, they expected a meaty confrontation on the pitch.
The main thing we learn from playing English teams is never to give up. Because the English players never give up. Even if we're winning comfortably, they still keep hammering away in the forwards. Bam, bam, bam.
Never surrender.
No English team has yet beaten Engineers in Barcelona. They're often weakened for away fixtures, but always field a strong side at home. Datchworth had pulled together a scratch team at the last moment, but was still hoping for an upset.
It's important to the club, it's important to our hosts, and it's also very important that we have a good, clean game. Our referee...
What, in that match, you've got no chance.
Right, lads?
Yeah.
Good.
Yes, sir.
An away trip to Barcelona makes a change for everyone involved, including the referee.
The Catalans are a great bunch of lads. I've probably refereed them 5 or 6 times, but there's the added bonus that I speak Spanish, so I'll referee the game bilingually, which is also great fun. You generally pick up a few more swear words that I didn't know during these games.
When the match began, it was clear that Datchworth were going to have to do a lot of defending. Engineers are a cosmopolitan club with players of 15 nationalities, one of the reasons they were so open to playing outside Spain in the first place. Their approach to the game is all about running rugby, not necessarily the best option on such a muddy surface.
Normally in these conditions we would never play on the pitch because we have to protect it for the other users. But given that Datchworth have come out from England, we've been allowed to go ahead with the game because we don't want to send them all the way home without even playing.
At half-time, Datchworth was still in touch.
If you don't do the basics, we won't come out here with a win. Yeah? Just do the basics. Put the tackles. Run straight. Don't give silly passes. And everybody play for each other. Yeah? Play for each other.
This may have been the Spanish seaside, but as night fell, the match was turning into a good old-fashioned English mud bath.
Get up there! Open their faces! Come on!
With Engineers grateful to hold on for a narrow victory in a fixture they usually completely dominate.
Absolutely excellent. Fantastic game. Fantastic. Now let's beat them at drinking.
There was no chance of an early night for the visitors after their early morning flight and an energy-sapping match in terrible conditions. After all, Engineers had prepared that feast, all expenses paid. This was good old-fashioned rugby hospitality, and it would be insulting to the host to turn it down.